Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting topic in FB ads, and that is retargeting. So in today's video I will let you know if you are running an e-commerce campaign for your shopping website, so how you can retarget the people who are added to cart the product but didn't purchase them. And with the help of that, we will able to get sales from the people who have earlier added to cart the product but didn't purchase them, because we will show them a different offer so they can purchase that. Earlier there are a lot of reasons why they are not purchasing our products, whether it's the price or something else, but now we will retarget them with a new ad in which we will give them 50% off offer and they will able to purchase our product and we can get sales. So in today's video I will let you know how to do it. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. As you can see, now as I am running a e-commerce campaigns for our e-commerce website, as we are getting a lot of sales here. So now the thing is, we need to create a campaign for the people who have added to cart the product earlier but didn't purchase them. And let me show you how to do it. First of all, you just need to click on the create button. And once you click on it, you need to choose the objective. As we are running a sale campaign, then our objective is always sales. So I will click on it and click on the continue button. When you click on the continue button, it will redirect to the dashboard. And here you need to check off some things so that our retargeting campaign will be able to get sales from the retargeting visitors. So what you need to do is, you need to choose on this option like advantage plus catalog option, and choose your catalog as well, because we will retarget them through the catalog ads, not from the particular traditional audience based retargeting. This is a retargeting which we will done by the catalog ads, because catalog is also running with the pixels. So we will use here catalog to retarget the people who have added to cart the products. So at the campaign level, you just need to check on this advantage plus catalog option, and after that you just need to go to the ad set section. And once you go to the ad set section, in the performance goal, you need to choose the goal maximum number of conversion, because our goal is to get maximum sales from a particular audience. So maximize clicks is not the right choice here as a performance goal. So what we need to do is, we need to choose our performance goal as a maximum number of conversions, like basically with the audience which we will target in this campaign get us most of the conversion. And then you just need to choose your conversion event, as we need to choose purchase. If somebody purchases our product, it will be shows as the result in our FB ads account section. And after that, you need to choose your catalog, basically a product set, as there are a lot of product set here which you have created in the product set section in the e-commerce manager account. So I will choose a woman French fashion brand here, because I need to retarget the people who have interacted with this particular product. And after that, you have, and here is the main thing where you need to choose the audience, like audience section. Here there are two options. First one is the find prospective customer even if they haven't interacted with your business. It is a normal audience targeting campaign. If we choose this option, our campaign will be run as a normal audience targeted campaign, where we will give the detailed targeting options, age group and other things to a broad audience. So as our campaign, our objective is different here. Our objective is to get maximum sale from the retargeted people who have added to cart their product but they didn't purchase it. So we need to choose second option, retarget ads to people who have interacted with your ads products on Facebook and off Facebook. So this option, you need to choose this option here, and after that they will give you 4 to 5 options like viewed or added to cart but not purchased. People who have viewed your product but and added to cart that product but didn't purchase it. And you can choose up to 14 days here, like you need to choose 14 days, at least 14 days, the people who have added to cart in the last 14 days, and if they have viewed your product in the last 14 days, that audience will be automatically fetched here if you choose this option. And the second one is people who have added to cart but not purchased, and that is for last 28 days. So like basically what happened is once somebody choose this option, audience will automatically create in the catalog ads where the people is automatically fetch in that audience who have added to cart the product in the last 28 but didn't purchase them. So with the help of this particular option, you can retarget the people for your retargeting campaign. And once you click on it, it will retarget all the audience in the last 20 years who have added the product but didn't purchase them. And after that, you just need to click on the next button, because now you don't need to choose any other options, because the catalog will automatically fetch the audience, the target location, because they already know from which particular location they got the add to cart from in the last 28 days. So they will only target those people who have added to cart the product in those days. So now we are at the ad level where we have already choose our products which we want to retarget, and now as you know, our audience is already created in the ad set level for the people who have interacted with these particular products which we have right now showing on the screen. And now it will only redirect to the people who have interacted with those products in the last 28 days but didn't purchase them. So the targeting audience is automatically created in the ad set level. As you can see, we have choose the second option and our ad is already created. So now everything is done. Now I think you are able to know like how we can retarget the people with the catalog ads, and how we can basically create a retargeting campaign for our e-commerce website. So with the help of that, it will what you can do it, you can give them offers as well. Like earlier, if they are purchasing some products on $400, you can give them offer to decrease it by $50 and make them $350. So these kind of things will encourage us to get some interact with our product, and then they will definitely purchase it because they have the offer now. From earlier, they are purchasing the product in less than $50. Basically, earlier we are giving them the product on $400, and now we are giving them in $350. So basically, we are giving them offers so that we can encourage them, and with the help of that we will get sales. So this is how we do it. Now everything is set up. We just need to publish this campaign. I will click on the publish button, and after that your campaign will be published, and with the help of that you can get sale from the retargeting ads. So I think now everything is sorted. Now you know how you can create a retargeting campaign for your e-commerce website. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any query and concern, you can directly contact me through the number flashing on the screen. And if you have any project for us, you can directly contact us. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.